Hey guys, welcome to The Delight. Jack the Real Estate Dog and I want to show you not only a tour of this multi-generational in-law suite home, but we also want to show you the floor plan on paper and the 3 elevations that it's available in from Lennar Homes here in the greater Charlotte area. Notice the door on the right? That's the NextGen entrance. That's for mom and or dad. Own private entrance. They can have their own friends come and go as they please, obviously. And then the main home, if somebody's coming to see you, they'll go in right here. So this is exciting because this is a one-level plan that Lennar has included in their NextGen series. Type the word delight into my YouTube search bar to see more videos about this exciting plan. But you've got your own entrance from the garage right there, and then there's a door right off to the right of this mirror here to where you can go from the main house to the NextGen portion. That's the mother-in-law suite. That's the in-law suite. That's the multi-generational aspect of it. Beautiful kitchen, covered porch, etc. You're not losing anything here. You've got your own master bedroom, master bath. You've got also a guest bedroom and a suite, as well as a separate mother-in-law suite. So this has got everything Uncle John needs for multi-generational living. Again, type the word delight in for the full video tour. But let's just take a real quick second and let's go look at the actual floor plan of this house available at Lennar Treetops, Lennar Imagery for 55 plus, as well as at Lennar's Cortona and the upcoming Mooresville neighborhood called Gamble Forest. So you come in, now this floor plan is flipped, which sometimes turns people around, but notice you come in, separate entrance to the multi-generational suite, the NextGen, and you've got a living room with a kitchenette right here. Got a full bath with a shower, and then a NextGen bedroom for mom and or dad. By the way, this could be flipped. This could be you living here and mom or dad living up here. Or this could be a returning college grad living here until, they got their own entrance, their own life, let them pay rent. And then at some point, 20 years from now, you could move in here and they, as an adult, could take over this way. This is brilliant. So owner's suite, master bath, bedroom 2 with its own bath available to it, and then this covered patio family room. You saw the video. Elevations available. This is a great looking one. I mean, isn't this good looking? Triple gable. I love that. You'll see it in the video. Not to mention a little gingerbread, a little shake there on the side, and then this one as well. 704-345-3400. Reference the Delight multi-generational floor plan from Lennar. I can't wait to help you either in the 55 plus imagery or treetops or Cortona or Gamble Forest. I'll see you in the next video.